What's up, people? That I do. Shakabo, everything. So today a different style. Different style. Let's flex, yeah. When I not say legit, very real, you know. And I'll be honest now, yeah. Is it fear will make you get people that we get one of the most played songs, hit songs in Sierra Leone during this period of time, not able for make shows inside Sierra Leone. Comedians we get the platform of cracking jokes, yeah, for make shows. Football games so they go on, yeah. Even the business people themselves sometimes they get harassed. You understand? Now, the government in Mama Salon, the party, His Excellency President Bio, yeah. Everything where they talk about but in state of emergency, speech, if we're able to go to even himself, so even inside in compound, I'm not saying bedroom, in compound, in whole family, because in the number one man in this country, you go to the number two man. You go to number one woman and number two man. They count to all man on a Sierra Leone. Don't forget about party now. Don't forget seminar Allah Jamaduba. Don't forget seminar this and this and this and this. Yeah. Everything is fucking fucked up in Sierra Leone. Everything is fucked up. Musicians and Sierra Leone, where the songs, where they for capitalize off, where they for make money off, never for make money. I get 1, 2, 3, 4 artists I will call, where I not saying a song them, if they play, if they say the man that so, they get show now so to this village or this town, or inside free town, or even inside stadium, people will come and jump pack, they will make money, they will change their family lives them. They will give back to the community them. You know, allow. You know why? Because of the COVID. Fair enough, understandable. Fair enough, understandable. COVID-19, it's a kill. It's an airborne. People have to take every precaution them very seriously. Me something behind that, I agree. I agree with you 100%. I agree with you 100%. Say COVID the kill. I don't see COVID how it take care of China, America, the biggest country in the world, one man afraid. I don't see how COVID jama day. I don't see how the whole international artists and other country them because they don't respect COVID. I don't see where I never see. I don't see where I never see no country. The big artists and the country them they perform or any gathering they go on because they take COVID very serious. Yeah. But in Sierra Leone, some artists are not allowed to perform. Some artists are not allowed to perform. Some artists that doesn't have a shop, a boutique, a bread and butter, or keke or bike, this, there's no income coming in, are not allowed to perform. Even the money where they say safe, this is a stimulus check where because of when I know they work COVID, with the go now this, they say the artists that forget less than 2 million euros after 1 year. They say every artist forgets 2 million these are the one that will be registered. And then some people also, and the same people that have been grabbed and talk say, when I not mix my name, pound and name they want to put. Because one for talk, I don't want anybody for all me much. Yes. I don't want nobody for all me much. I don't want nobody for all me much. One for talk. You know the shame? We are not the shame. 2 million loans, less than 2 million loans for every artist. We get a full-time career for make a feed in family them. Some of the artists and they don't even mind we get 2 picking tips, some get 7, 10, some get in my mind branches the way for take care of. You see what they're going at less than 2 million loans after we go on it for 8 months. The same musician they also back now have been used for making them sensitize people about corona. Now have been used for putting on television. Now have been sit down because the nation the cost back because of political reason. Nobody not defend them back. Nobody not defend them. But it's the same governments will pass all the rules there so will restrict not shows, not this. They give shows to certain artists back. The talk say, you have to come through NACOVAC and clearance. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck NACOVAC. The fuck out of here. NACOVAC restriction, get clearance. And clearance. Me to go book hall. I pay for the hall. $2,000, 20 million euros. Me. No, na suicide the corruption starts and also the what they share back when they talk am. Me go book hall 20 million. Then the hall they take 1,000 people them. Then they tell me say social distancing. If I do social distancing, my brother and my sisters them or Sierra Leoneans them, I the losses for my show. This time where I don't even know some other guy for come show because of corona and they forget back. Why? Given the clearance to any particular entertainer in this country to do a show. Why? Why? In the first place. Simple corona, na poda, na keke, na checkpoints, we are able to control them. Today, Salon are the only country that see the case come 0. The other day the case come 100, round figure, 100. Then the presidency body 0 case. Then the next day come 132 case. Eh? A film they watch. Salon not on Odeon or by Plus. We don't case. The man they watch all the alakiti they post. Man they watch all the share back. They watch all the people they post so they read them back. They distract the nation. We've been distracted by the nation. Simple things for the pickup. When they pick up. Because of why? We the musicians are not even real to ourselves. We're not even real all around, friendly, knowing how much powerful we are. Because when LJ Pan talk show, I tell us at the talk show now. So I said LJ talk show. What talk show now? You get other the back when they go sit back, they go contact the same people they would talk against for the whole entire nation. Make like say, oh that man on the left man able. That man there, I saw it, we will counter them. Yes. Because they are comfortable. They don't have fan base. They are for occupied on projects. New musician LG. Are not based on projects, are not based on bigger, are not based on cabal, are not based on I want to see this person, I want to see this person. Me na me own man. I want cost APC, I cost them, I tell them to. I want cost SLPP, where they take power. Inside 6 months, I cost them, I how we dey. Me first do am. Oh man, they question LJ. Oh LJ, why don't they sing again for this government to the gun show? When I go back. Me forcing that salon, but all the artists them Before even Emma sing. I mean, first sing before I'm back now with it. I mean, first done. When I listen to what I talk about now with it, and the powerful show. Now in the powerful show. Now in the powerful show, right now. When I go listen back, when I go listen to Naya with you, when I know say this time ineligible talk, bing. Now what are the rule we? Are the pa or the mommy? Take your hands off our girls. Like show me a rough from here, now you need money for go planter. You don't craze. Not to Khadija, let Khadija, in case they so 30 day na court. Picking 5 years of age, where they rape, where they shake the one on the wall. All advocates and commander those logo stand up quantity. And me go there with all my company artists them. All every single one been go there today. When I thank you, shout out to all. We'll go there. We'll go represent. Not to Khadija, no go represent today. We'll go represent people that will not see this thing they happen to. We'll go voice them out for them. Today, Khadija in case they not court. Today. Paolo Conte, I repeat. When they say the goat's gone, the get out's gone, it makes sure. 2 months. 2 months, Paolo Conte. Then done in case. Where Paolo Conte they go court first. That is the only force that traffic at the country first. Now, all can go on the decision at the country. One gay person. You go court, you done in case, you go do in time, then pardon I come on a jail. Posse what and say one go set school for kill the president with a pistol. You the pardon that person there. You the save that person there, you pull on that door. You the left that person there, where you say this, you want to kill me. The catch out gone, if they can't friend me. Or invite a pan come to me. You the left that person there. Hey, boy, we're not afraid of God. We're not afraid. We're not think. Are we dumb? Are we dumb? Where are we going? Where are we going? Possibly ACC. Anti-corruption say, you, Paulo, are you chief, Ebola money, now, this. Okay, we can one question you. The same person back, now the president call back say, Wale can work for we, I call her, Corona. Are we dumb? The same person. Like, would they think, are we sleeping? ACC, anti-corruption, would have ever convict say this person not paying money we been thief? We don't go jail him. Who that we don't see? 3 years now they go so, eh? Say now. ACC. ACC supposed to work for the entire country. ACC not for work for against APC. APC for work for even SLPP, NGC, C4C, you name it. LJ, anybody. Who the case? Khadija. Late Khadija. Channel. First lady. The first lady. The first lady. Auntie, I call her hands off our girls. Musicians don't support them. Don't make music. Don't show and say, we all day with this. We don't support her. Hands off our girls. So now, 5 years of age. Don't get convicted to it. Verdict to pass it. Say this person and do not change them. No, all man go yes. So Khadija, what's your mama born them? What's your papa born them? You don't get uncle. You don't get auntie. Or other people that wait don't fall. They can't Khadija fall, so let Khadija. They don't exist. They don't get pain. But when them protest for Khadija, people then criticize the protest. But The same first lady, go up and Khadija, it's Khadija in Benin. He go to personal cameraman. In personal cameraman, snap the first lady. Where she do ACN, where they read the dua, where they read for the picking, where they read for prayer for Kango Beyam. Within the woman them. The same first lady, they share and photo them where you go to the funeral. Hypocrisy to the family not reach that level yet. This is the advice to una all. Una take una time wanna do things. Yeah? No go kill yourself for person. No go kill yourself for you. Is there any verdict yet for late Khadija? No. Musicians can't perform. Musicians or famous people can't even allow to be where gathering for take place. More than 100 people. Clubs know they open. Bar they know they open. Football game for some people they know they open. Where they go on? But the first lady, they go to every school. They shape pad with no mask and performance they go on with some musicians so at the same time. Hypocrisy. The law for you is the law for every Sierra Leonean. The law for me is the law for you. The law for you is the law for me. If LJ and the rest of the other musicians are not allowed to perform because of corona, because of social distancing, because of face mask, NACOVA clearance. Ebo, Madam First Lady, you shouldn't be sharing a pad going around with a convoy, dancing, shouting, giving speech, kids gathering, no social distancing, no mask, and artists performing whilst people are laughing and joking and dying for pad. And we have a death, coronavirus where they kill people at the one wall, they go on. They go people, when people are for the go on social distancing, they old people are for masks, they find them inside the motor car, them, they lock some people them, they embarrass some people them publicly. But they go around, the old people and they school them. First of all, shame on the Minister of Education, primary, secondary, whatever you name it. Shame on you guys all. Shame on NACOVAC. Shame on you all. All of you guys, shame on you all. Because nothing no they want to put and emphasize on. Well, you know better talk so. Me and Leche, we want to start. Me na one of the first, well, not say one of, me na the first musician we grab. Call me brother Akman. Call what's the name? Foyo. We dedicate yourself. All man they also then say COVID, when they say lockdown, all man they afraid. Now be now talking about car, poda, we mic, they embarrass all back at it. Man them, politically man them, they look like say, ma, election na family na ready day. They politicize me like say this man enough for do this. I did it. I did the song. I said thank you to the Red Cross, the medical side, the soldier man, the policeman, them, the burial team, everybody when they fight corona, even the president, His Excellency. I said thank you. Him too, he was part of the song. We did that. So it's why they talk so. I get the right for talk what I talk so because what will be the talk, what will be stand for, what will be the represent, what will be the preach about, not to any happen now. And corona not even done yet. Corona not even done yet. Yes. I know one day Susan and swear a first lady say, I, Madam, so. No. No. They swear the president in. Say, I, so of this country, da da da. You, now you get with. The first lady is someone that cooks for the president. If she wants her office, they give her office a work. That's why they work so. Yeah. If I can stop here, I'll stop here. Alhaji Amaduba. Yeah. When I know my address, you guys know where I'm at. You guys know what I do. You guys know what I stand for. No hits. No hits. No badats. No envy. No jealousy. Everything I just talk so. Pastor Mo if you dey reach you. Pastor Mo if you dey reach you. But if you know the witch, you will not see them being Alhaji Amaduba at the two talk. Yeah? You get musician and back we get picking just like how you get picking. You get musician and we get uncle and auntie just like how you get uncle and auntie. Where they need to be, they need to eat. So if we can't do it, you shouldn't be doing it. The part them way the shape so. If you able to take a go donate at the school, the principal and shape them. There shouldn't be no speech. This ain't no campaign time, man. This ain't no campaign time. Yeah? Your part shouldn't be on politics. Yeah? And I think every your campaign is based on sexual. Your campaign is based on sexual. Go na Kube, bo. The same Kube, they get woman and they get picking and they. You can preach that. Go na Bome. Preach there. Come to us, the hood. Come to us, the streets. Come to us, the gully. So far as them. Come to us. Stop running around, man. Acting like you're doing something. You guys acting like you guys is doing something. Fuck all. My young man, they broke the president in face on a Calbaton. Disrespectful way. It's wrong. They're hungry. They're hungry. All the manager the Bailey Cement Foundation, all the lunch. We not there for lunch, pass the assistant also. All not there for lunch, we not there for lunch. What should I think this is? Church today, a big cities before Christ. We live in a modern world we live now. Let the youth them eat. Provide jobs, opportunities, smile, the people in face. Social media day now, internet day. When they see every day. When they see people they complain where lights go. People they complain where what's on day. People they complain. The bridge, you don't go talk about the bridge because they want a salvage street for them. Go put chair and they paint and green for salvage street. When they done the longer bridge, I know say that now in a submarine they go come inside. I know it's about stadium because stadium when the next stadium now they go out Maradona back. All them footballers around there for open stadium. Corruption. Football die. Everything dead. Legend like Mohamed Kalon. When they embarrass them, when they disgrace them. When they make Mohamed Kalon in kind, will be the pulling money, they fly, come, they pay footballers, fly and go, first, they win, they not win, they cost him, mama, fly, go back, start for they go play. And they make that kind of Monday. They go fight for petition, they go fight for appeal, they go fight for hearing. When they go sit down, when I'm a Mohamed Kalon fan, they go sit down and they judge Mohamed Kalon. They forget God. When I'm not afraid, bon, when I left, yeah, when I left, Salon a very small country, very fun country, very sweet country. Everything I do na hypocrisy. Corona not be in December. One I lipstick off you inside December. Oh, now worry. Oh, you just see that we get for come because when I own picking and get for come overseas, we don't go land book, we don't go enjoy all the money overseas and get for come. When I lipstick off you, let them enjoy themselves. When I know how many side them I they try for attend a salon during December time. What did the shopping say illegal for cancer? So I say why? They say because of the pines person there, or the mommy person there, or this person there. Salon, you need ID card now for going to any location. You need that. But you see, work in the phone. Me, when I go check all my file and back at the talk about, when I go check all my file and back in the salon, police station, then all I go check her. One day, legend, I do wrong. Me. One day, I do wrong. When I listen to what they talk, when I listen to explanation, when I listen what they do me, if not to because of we rivalry, understandable, okay, not all man go like LJ. But if we think of the country, if we think of human rights, if we think of every human person in your rights, I go feel if not be you. I'm not ever wrong, nobody. All the time they do na me money I spend, I enjoy myself. If I buy Hennessy, woman in the old show now, Hennessy, we don't famous as salon. When I begin the kind of salon, when I also begin the kind, I make it famous. If I buy, they buy in 10, I think man is jealous, they can't intimidate me. They are not good though. I just like for slap people okay one couch goodness to me. They are not like for curse. I like for curse people that can curse me. Simple. Simple as that. Simple. Yeah? So, when I lift the band for Winner Cover, with the musician them, don't make we show ya. Because vaccine don't come. Clearly, if the first lady of Sierra Leone, they tour at the country, they perform in the schools them with no face mask. None of his speech I never listen when they talk about emphasizing or even NACOVAC measures. Already they measure about you pad, you 12-month pad, at 20 the inside it, at 30 they oh that boy picking them this and this. Are you their parents? That people are not sure you born them. Then get them then parents them. Then get them parents them. That's not what you're there for. That's not what Sierra Leone is here for. Sierra Leone is here to create jobs for the citizens, for feed them picking a day, and school them, which you depend on school and so. It's not your job. It is not your job. We all know you're doing it because of it's part of the business. It's part of the business. How you sack minister? You sack Minister of Lands, Sandy. You as president, you sack Minister of Lands. Then the first lady take the Minister of Lands, they walk out on the ship pad. So who is the president? Who is the president? If me sack somebody, I don't want time near me. I don't want time inside this country if you left to me because you're up to no good for this country. I sack you today, then me will take you. They follow you put yourself in car in the way and shape pad. Or get around myself. So who's the president? What are we doing? Are we crazy? Are we cuckoo? We don't curse. We don't watch what's going on at the wall. Other country, the way you do Telegram, they force you can get it done. You done. Other country, they check presidents, them. Other country, they check vice presidents and ministers, them, governors or senators, them. Salon, you do know. You do. And Bekafala, ACC. I see you post the way they talk about an officer where we don't take bribe, where they don't convict until they finally today. 50 million euros fine, and also 5 years imprisonment if you don't pay the 50 million euros. Please, But careful and make sure say every police station and officer gets that paper, that form day. So make them know say what the pastor teach self. You know for arrest again. That enough for apply again. Yeah? Abeg. Yeah, we don't tell. We the musician them. I don't know for other musician though. One for do show. I want for do show. I want perform. I want go all around the place. We don't want no one go hold me for mask or for sanitizer. If you first study the drum, other minister the drum when the party that host, when they make married, when the party, when they enjoy. Yeah, big. We shall not continue to life there, big, yeah? COVID vaccine don't come. Yeah. Mr. President, take the COVID vaccine publicly for we, that the nation all man see you. For sure say you a leader. You ready for die for this country. You ready for show example for this country. That's what makes you a leader. The way you do them, all man go take her now. Now when you take her now, they believe her. If you not take her, what they do them? There's nobody for sell her back. Not free. Not free. They're big. Yeah? If I can stop now, so assalamu alaikum. Yeah? I love you guys all. Somebody said that they can't kill me. Papa God. I don't care. I don't care. I really don't care. I really don't care, to be honest with you guys. I don't get picking them. And I know if I die today, if I have a set of people of this country that will always remember me. Of my brain and which I believe in. Thank you guys once again. No hits. No hits. Yeah? No hits. No hits. I love you guys all. Shout out to all the people within inside Pademba Road. Rest in peace to all the people that will die inside Pademba Road. Rest in peace to every man who don't die on a police brutality or in a brutal way where no justice served for them. And wanna big up and keep your head up to every person who is serve time on injustice level. Shout out to all. When I keep on a head up, we're here. We're praying for you guys. We're fighting for you guys. I'm standing for you guys. Yeah? Keep your head up. Believe. When you believe, you will receive. And when you receive, you will leave. You will receive, yeah? I pray every Sierra Leonean will come as one for the better for this country. Lord puts politics aside. Lord puts colors aside. Lord puts tribe aside. Lord puts religion aside. Lord, we come for the better for Salone. I am Alhaji Amaduba. I'm open to work with this country. Anyone, as long as I'm for any children for those, the better for Mama Salone. Thank you guys. Good night. I love you guys so much. Yeah? If I hurt anybody, but all what I talk so today, we not go understand. I want to apologize if you don't understand. But if you understand, then I hurt you. I miss. Yeah? Your favorite rapper, King Boss.